What's up, local Gnar fam? I'm out here with Gnara, and today I'm going to give you a classic example of how you can shred some Gnar anytime, guys. I got 10 minutes before I need to leave the house. I'm going to go out on the longboard with my new girl here. Let's go. Yow! That way it can track her, and then I'll hold the stick for me. There we go. All right, guys, let's go. I'm down to 9 minutes. Not very much time, but still, I think we'll get the adrenaline pumping. Are you ready, girl? Let's go. All right, is this lazy dog walking or genius? Comment down below. Come on, girl. Not in the mud. Come on, girl. Good all the time. Yeah. Woo. Good girl, Gnara. All right, here we go. Come on, girl. Good girl. You got a good potty?
Resolution reduce.
Oh man. Seriously? And I got a vet appointment for her. She's a week and a half old with our family. 5-month-old dog. We got to get her checked out, make sure she's healthy. She just went on like the craziest mountain bike adventure with me yesterday. I mean, it was mind-blowing, the stuff this dog was running and jumping and off a leash. I mean, I'm just so impressed. Bernadoodles for the win. Yeah, this is the new baby. Come on, girl. Come on, baby. You tired already? Here, let's turn around. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. God is good all the time. Whoa. Two Insta360 X5s and the new Hover 8K drone. What do you guys think? Comment down below. That was a cool little shred set. Oh, you're the best. You're the best, yeah. Come here. Come here, sweetie. Come here. Oh, man. Peace. Local Gnara fam. Thanks for watching, guys.